On Friday, February 21st, the junior kindergarten had a beach day in the middle of winter. To make February feel more like July, the teachers turned the thermostat up and all the kids came to school in swimsuits and with beach towels. The reason for these summer festivities was that the JKers had filled up their class popcorn jar.
Well, in junior kindergarten, we have a thing called a popcorn jar, popcorn points jar, and the children can work collectively as a group and collaborate together to earn popcorn kernels to fill the jar.
How is beach day going?
Good.
Yeah? What's your favorite part about beach day?
I don't snack time because we're gonna have popsicles for snack.
Like that, so it doesn't just fall down.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Awesome!
The JKers participated in summer activities like building sandcastles, counting beach items, playing with blocks, and making visors.
Side to this side, ready? All the way across.
I did it one by one.
The JKers also prepared for the upcoming 100 Days of School parade.
Because next week, JK, SK, first grade and second grade are going to have a parade. You know, our 100 Days of School.
It offered a reminder of the summer season that lies ahead.
What's your favorite part of beach day? Puzzles. Playing.
Mr. Grover, what
Playing in dramatic play area. Made hat.
Reporting for the Meadowbrook Minute, I'm Lira.
Like a thingy. Like all like.